Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix copy paste not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First method, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to type this both command one by one guys. In my case I'm gonna copy and paste it, but you need to type it because you can't able to copy and paste it, so you just need to type this command. After finishing both the commands, you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to restart your PC. A simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches, including copy and paste issues. Third method, you just need to clear the clipboard. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this third command. Just type the third command guys. After typing it, press enter. After finishing this command, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 4 guys. Fourth method, you just need to check for third-party conflicts. Some applications, for example Clipboard Manager, might interfere with the copy-paste functionality. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Look for Clipboard related apps. Just right click on them and select End Task. And after that, just to close stuff here and disable or uninstall any suspicious third-party apps temporarily and test. Method 5, you just need to enable clipboard history. If clipboard history is disabled, enabling it might resolve the issue. To do this, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. Select system. On right side, you just need to select clipboard. You just need to turn on this clipboard history. After that, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6, you just need to disable remote desktop clipboard sharing. To do this, go to search menu and type remote desktop connection. Click on open it. You just need to select show options, select local resources, and you just need to uncheck clipboard option in here and select connect option and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 7 guys. Method 7, you just need to perform a system file checker. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this fourth command. Just type over here in the command prompt and press enter. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100% done. After that, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the method 8 guys. 8th method, you just need to update Windows. Ensure you are running the latest version of Windows to patch any known bugs. To update that, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. 9th method, you just need to reset Windows clipboard settings. If none of the above works, then resetting clipboard settings can resolve the issue. To do this, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, select the system. On right side, scroll down and select clipboard. Select the clear option, and after getting done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.